Yo, what's up everyone? It's Kalyan Digital here, and we're talking website speed. You know, that thing that can make or break your online presence. Whether you're running a blog, an e-commerce store, or just showcasing your portfolio, a fast-loading website can be a game changer. First things first, why should you even care about page speed? It's a question that might seem trivial at first. I mean, is it really that big of a deal? You might be wondering if it truly impacts your website's performance. In a word, yes. Absolutely. A slow website can be the difference between someone sticking around to check out your content or bouncing right off to your competitor. People have short attention spans and expect instant results. Page speed is a crucial ranking factor for search engines like Google. Faster websites get prioritized in search results. So if you want to rank higher in search results and get more organic traffic, you better believe page speed matters. It's not just about user experience, it's about staying competitive in the digital landscape. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty details of how to actually speed up your website. A fast website not only improves user experience, but also boosts your SEO rankings. One of the biggest culprits of slow loading times is images. High-resolution images can take forever to load if not optimized properly. Compress those images without sacrificing quality. Tools like TinyPng or ShortPixel can be your best friend. These tools reduce the file size significantly while maintaining the visual integrity of the images. Next up, let's talk about minifying files. This involves removing unnecessary characters from your code. Think of this as cleaning up your website's code, removing all the unnecessary spaces and characters that bloat the file size. Minifying your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files can make a noticeable difference in load times. It's like decluttering your digital closet. Everything runs smoother and faster. A clean codebase is easier to maintain and improves performance. And speaking of smoother and faster, have you heard of browser caching? This technique can drastically reduce load times for returning visitors. This little trick allows your website's files to be stored on a visitor's computer, so the next time they visit, boom, the page loads lightning fast. Implementing browser caching is a simple yet effective way to enhance user experience. Alright, so you've implemented some of these optimization techniques. Awesome. You've compressed images, minified CSS and JavaScript, and maybe even leveraged browser caching. But how do you know if they're actually working? How can you be sure that all your hard work is paying off in terms of faster load times and better user experience? That's where page speed testing tools come in. These tools are essential for measuring the effectiveness of your optimizations. Google PageSpeed Insights is a great place to start. It's free and gives you a detailed analysis of your website speed on both desktop and mobile. It even provides suggestions for further improvements. GTmetrix and Pingdom are other popular options, offering even more in-depth insights and performance metrics. They allow you to compare historical data and see how your site performs over time. These tools break down your website's loading process step by step, so you can pinpoint exactly what's slowing you down. This way you can make targeted improvements and ensure a smoother, faster user experience. Here's the thing about page speed optimization. It's not a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process of continuous improvement. First and foremost, set clear goals. What are you trying to achieve with your page speed optimization efforts? Define your objectives so you can track your progress and measure your success. Speaking of tracking progress, monitor your website speed regularly. Make it a habit to run those page speed tests and keep an eye on your metrics. And that's a wrap on page speed optimization. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the importance of website speed to actionable techniques and best practices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on optimizing your website's performance.